Sawadee krap.
Welcome to this video.
Yeah, we're in Khao Sok now.
Yeah, we took the bus from
Ao Nang.
yes,
From Ao Nang here. It was a nice journey through the countryside.
beautiful.
Yeah,
Called
today,
elephant.
yeah. Today we're gonna go to the national park. It's just above Khao Sok. We're gonna do a 2-day, 1-night trip.
We're gonna stay on the lake
Yeah.
tonight.
A nice cabin on the lake.
Yeah.
So it should be good. Gonna take you along with us?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. We made it to the entrance of the park.
We're in the rain forest and it's raining. I'm very happy.
Yeah. Now we're walking to our long-tail boat that's gonna bring us to the hotel first. And there it is, Khao Sok National Park in the distance.
And we got some new rain jackets.
Yeah, they're a bit better.
It's a fake one.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe we can be lucky if it's raining that the animals come out more.
Yeah, maybe. Because after all, it's the rainforest, so they should be used to the rain.
Yeah. I like the meter point here.
Going to the boat.
We're here.
To the hotel.
Look, it's super nice. Wow. Look at this, we're in the room.
You can see the water.
Yeah. It's super nice. You even have a shower and toilet in the room.
It's incredible.
Yeah, that's really nice. You can see the water below. And look outside on the balcony. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, it's super nice. I think we're gonna go for a swim now.
Yeah.
In the rain. So this is the hotel. Wow, it's really pretty. It's really beautiful. Look at the view. Wow. We had a nice swim. Had some fun on the water.
Now we're going on a jungle trek.
Jungle safari trek.
First with the boat and then gonna walk.
Yeah, if we're a bit lucky, it stays like this. The rain.
Yeah.
Won't get too wet.
And this is one of the oldest rainforests, no? In the world. I
don't know.
thought so.
Just look at it. It's so nice. The little huts. We made it to the start of the jungle trek.
It's a real jungle walk. But it's very slippery because it rained all day.
Yeah, very muddy.
Take it slow. So the water here contains so many minerals, it turns everything into stone. This is just a clay. It's turning into stone.
Sometimes they have big waves,
Wow.
but you cannot see like this.
The you want to clean yourself in the jungle, you get a stone or a shell that's been stonified by the minerals.
Sometimes they see like
You just make your arm red, and then you just scrub it, and then your dirty skin comes off. That's like the explanation, I think. You can also brush your teeth with sand, he says. It's better than
everything I
toothpaste.
have compared for you. That's why I don't. But because sometimes.
He says it can hold up to 500 kilograms, the vine.
And so we're heading back to the boat now to go back to the hotel, I think. But it was very nice, a little jungle walk.
Made it back to the hotel, and dinner is about to get served. So it's a nice dinner. Food's really good on the tour as well. The boat tour is really nice. It was a really nice day today, so I'm gonna enjoy dinner, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna get up early at 6:15 because we have an early boat safari tour at 6:30. Yeah, should be good. Let's see what dinner is. That was dinner.
Yes.
So we're gonna call it a night, and we'll see you in the morning. Yeah.
Good morning. It's 6:30. We're going in the morning safari by boat. If we can see some animals, hopefully. Maybe we can spot some elephants.
For lucky. It's a very beautiful day. Got our morning coffee. The boat is ready to go. It's nice and quiet in the morning here. Look at the big mountain. Explore it a little bit, see the stalactites and the stalagmites. See? Let's go.
The little beds are so cute. The stalagmite and the stalactite touch, it forms a column. Nice.
This is almost the column.
This was the cave, and now we're going back to the floating hotel to have some breakfast. That was a nice pancake for breakfast. So now we have to pack our bags. We have some time, I think half an hour, and then we go to the 3 limestones, I think the guide said. And then we're back at the pier at around 11 o'clock to take the bus back to Khao Sok. these are the 3 limestones. And it's a famous place here on the lake. You have to see it, she said. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked the video and be sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye!